there's the proof in the pudding. If you can afford to get second hand but original tools, you're much better off doing that than buying new cheap Chinese ones. And even some of the new branded ones are not the quality of the old ones. This is 15 years old, made in I think this one was made in America. Absolute top quality. Thank you, DeWalt. Well, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Yeah, brilliant tool. Gonna get this sprayed now, get it nailed up and get it into position. Before I lift this wall up, I wanted to show you actually how I do it. You can see me lifting them up, but I'll show you the process, kind of how it's prepared. So I have my jute view insulation, which runs along there between the floor and the wall, and then where I'm joining the walls up again, I've it insulated all the way up to the top. And because this wood is wet with the rain, I've sprayed it all, but just to make sure the actual insulation is sprayed with antiseptic as well, all the way down, and all the way along there is all sprayed with antiseptic, so that if, as it's drying, and it does dry quick, there is anything nasty in there, then hopefully the antiseptic will get it and prevent any mould growth. So you see it's in position now. If I didn't explain this, you see there's bits of wood tacked on to the end there. They are my stoppers, so as I flip it up, they'll hit those and it'll just drop into position. And there's another one there on the wall there that'll stop it from disappearing over there. I've got my clamps there, so as soon as I've got it up, I can bang a clamp on and it's not going anywhere then. If you haven't seen these type of nails before, these are 90mm or 9 centimeters, and they are ribbed. So you've got like a rib on there to stop them from coming out. They're thin, but they won't move anywhere once they're in. And they're adequate for framing. They're the perfect. These are for that type of gun. These go at 21 degrees of angle, kind of thing. To show you these pneumatic nail guns, hopefully I'll get this in view here. These have a safety feature on them where they won't, that's like automatic, you just hit it and it goes in, but not very effective. That's the better way, just to pull the trigger. But nothing will happen unless that's back, in which case it will fire. It's like a safety mechanism. So if you're carting this about and you get that against your clothes and you've got your finger on the trigger, guess what? You're going to get a nail in your leg. So be careful with these pneumatic nail guns. They're powerful, and one of these I would expect will go straight through your leg into your bone. So keep it well away from anything that's soft. Don't want to nail yourself. Just be careful with them. YouTubers, so it's evening time. It looks bright on the video, I can see it myself, but it's actually getting quite dark. So that wall's up, as you know. And I've prepared this one here, and everything basically is now put away for the night. Everything's covered up because it is raining again. It's supposed to have stopped at 4 and supposed to be sunny tomorrow, but it is actually raining. So I've got timber covered up, I've got everything covered up, so calling it quits for the night. It's getting dark anyway. So I'll see you bright and early, maybe not so bright, maybe not so early. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully this wall up, hopefully, I'm sort of hoping if it's a good day I get that whole corner up, but we'll see what happens tomorrow.